Hey guys, welcome back to another Merly on Time. I am really excited to be showing you something today. About a year ago, I got this watch from Vanbanner Watches. It is their Parking Master 2.0, and it is an absolute stunner of a watch. And over the course of the last few months, LV at Vanbanner Watches on Instagram has been posting pictures of his newest release. And guess what, guys? I got them today. I am so impressed with Vanbanner and so confident in Vanbanner that not only did LV send me one to review for the channel, so I got one for free. Thank you, LV, so very much. But I am so confident in their watches and in their brand that I also got one for myself. And so I'm going to be showing you two of these new watches today on Merly on Time Watch Reviews. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here is the packaging. You see that it has a nice white outer shell on the box and with the Vanbanner logo embossed on it. And so we'll just slide this out of the way for now. And I don't know what is in this box. I mean, I know one of the two options that it is, but what we are going to be looking at today is the VBAO, and you can get them online right now. Head over to Vanbanner's website. And don't believe that price that you see there. You can get 50% off of that price right now by using a code that is listed just above what you can see on the website. But they come in three different colors: purple, blue, and green. And so this one is going to be let's have a look here. Okay, so nicely wrapped in a polishing cloth with the Vanbanner logo embossed on it. And let's just see here. Oh, very nice. Look at this. We've got a screwdriver. That means we have screw links on the bracelet. So he provided a nice screwdriver for it. And hey, check this out as well. Good job, LV. Great packaging. We have a really nice Bergeron tool that you can use to remove the bracelet and adjust the micro adjust on the clasp. Okay, and here is the watch. Let me just pull this one out. I still don't see what one it is yet. Some extra links and a hang tag there as well. And oh yes, this is the blue one. And let me just slide that out of the bag here. And we got some plastic on this one, on the bracelet and whatnot, but have a look at that. That is absolutely stunning. And you can see that there's going to be some anti-reflective coating on that crystal. And just look at this. Oh, LV, you did it again, man. You did it again. Okay, so that is the blue one, but I got another one as well. Let me show you the other one I got. Okay, so thanks, LV. He definitely made sure that they were wrapped and very well protected, but I've got all the plastic off, and you can see that I got a blue and a purple one, and oh my goodness, guys, these are absolutely beautiful pieces. Excuse me. Now, the reason I got two was because my son is really into purple, and we've been kind of looking for a purple watch for him to have, and look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And so this one's going to go straight back in the box and be left for surprise on his birthday. But I want to show you just around the watch a little bit. Side profile, nice domed sapphire crystal on there. Some really nice polished finish on the side of that case. I have a trick that I heard that I'm going to try. He included some of these blue stickers on the crowns to protect the crown. I heard that you can put a little piece of tuck tape on that and pull it right off. We're going to try that in a minute. And this bracelet is absolutely awesome. Really, really nice. It's going to be super comfortable on the wrist. And you have a nice clasp with the Vanbanner name etched onto it. And just look at the amount of micro adjust that you get. So well done, LV. I'm going to be doing a full review of this watch coming up on the channel probably in about a week's time. So that is the purple one, and let's just go in on the dial a little bit on this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Another home run, LV. Absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at this blue one. This one's for me, and oh man, is it ever nice. Just look at the sunburst effect on the dial. And just absolutely gorgeous watch. And of course it's going to have the same side profile, brushed, or a high polish finish on the side of the K side of the bracelet. A really nicely brushed bracelet, super comfortable. The links are just articulate really, really nicely on them. Boy, you just hit a home run again, LV. I am so excited about this watch. Thank you so much for sending it to me and entrusting me with your watches to review on the channel. And I'm going to show it to you on wrist in just a second, but what we'll do is we'll get Super Cali to spec these watches out. So we'll zoom back out. So what are you dealing with here with these ones? Well, you're going to have a case size of 38 mil. Really nice compact case. You're going to have a thickness from the back to the crystal of 11 mil. The crown, which is a decent looking sized crown, is going to be 5.5 mil, maybe 6 mil. I don't know if I centered that right. Let's do it like that. So yeah, it's a 6 mil crown. Probably going to have 20 mil lugs. And there we go. Yep, 20 mil lugs. And let's see here. We do have a male end link, but it doesn't protrude too far out from that case. And let's just do your lug to lug length, and we'll just do it factoring in that male end link, and 49. So really nice compact watch, and it is absolutely just gorgeous. So purple one for my son, blue one for me. Oh my goodness, can't wait. Let me show you both on wrist. Haven't sized these yet, but I'll show them to you on wrist. And let's try that tuck tape trick out with those crowns. Let's see if that works too. This is the blue one, and this is unsized, but on my 7.5 inch wrist. And just look at how it hugs the wrist there. And this is, man, I just can't say enough. I am super impressed with this so far. So that is the blue one. And I mean, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I get to wear this today, and I'm so excited about that. Let's look at the purple one now. And oh my goodness, my son and I are going to be fighting over this one. I am sure of it, because he doesn't wear watches all of the time. And given the fact that he doesn't wear watches all the time, and he's going through to be a mechanic, so he's definitely not going to be wearing this watch at work. This is going to be one I think that I'm going to have to steal from him from time to time. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I just can't say enough of how impressed I am. Full review will be coming to the channel soon. Now let's see about that trick with the tuck tape and the blue sticker on the crown. And before we do the tuck tape trick, I do want to say it was really awesome of LV to supply these little foam protection pieces. So, you know, I'm going to be putting my son's away, and the bracelet's going to be protected by this little cool foam piece that he has there. So really well done. Now, I did a video not too long ago where I unboxed a couple of Pagani design watches, and they had this blue tape on the crown, and it was an incredible pain in the butt to get off. And a friend of mine had said on the YouTube video, I use tuck tape. And so we're going to try that trick right now and see if it works. We're just going to put the tuck tape on the crown, and look at that. Awesome trick. It just pulled that sucker right off of there. Oh, that was amazing. You guys, you have no idea. The simple things bring me so much joy, but look at that. It just pulled that blue sticker right off of the crown, and you can see it is branded, and it looks like it has A V for Vanbanner. Well done, LV. Maybe it's a V for his name. Ooh. Well done, LV. I am so impressed so far, and I can't wait to review these ones for you. Absolutely beautiful. Let's look at the case back. We haven't done that yet, and you can see the Vanbanner deeply etched into the case back. Nicely done with the branding there and some information about that. So you can see it has the Miyota 9039 movement in it, sapphire crystal, and this one is 100 meters of water resistance. So, well done, LV. I just keep saying it, but I'm going to say it again. Well done, my friend. This is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for tuning in again, everybody, and thank you for checking out this unboxing of 2 more amazing watches by Vanbanner Watches. Absolutely amazing. The VBAO in purple and in blue. Head on over to the website vanbannerwatches.com and pick up one of these for yourself. They're just over $300, and you are getting an amazing watch for your money. So as always, remember, whenever you leave your house, make sure you have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like the Vanbanner AO. And remember, wherever you're going, to get there on time. God bless everyone. We'll see you in the next video.